So I built this quick lumber rack, and you can do it out of scraps. Really easy. Plywood scraps, that's all. 3/4 minimum thickness. Sizes are arbitrary. You see a centerpiece here, flanked by two wedges. Let's go down to this one. It's easier. These happen to be 16 inches and 18 inches. And what I did was I just took a square, took a rule, point to point, cut that in half, okay, diagonally. And that gave me my two pieces. And what I did was just squared off the ends so that they wouldn't be pointy. And so I just did that. Size is just whatever you think you're going to put on the shelf. Like I said, there's a good bit of lumber on this. It's all maple. It's pretty strong. Definitely don't have a problem putting more lumber on it than it's on there right now. They're all 8 to 10 footers, mostly 8 footers, and it's about 10 boards, 9 boards on there, and I wouldn't even hesitate putting a few more boards on there. Basically what I did was I cut up the center board, right, and then I took that, let's go here, I took that center board, cut it to whatever size I wanted. Why this wide? I don't know, just to make it easy to get in there and put it up. You can do whatever you want. So I cut that center board, drilled some holes into it for my screws, and I drilled the holes in this for the screws bigger than the screws so that it would the screw would pass through and just go into the anchor itself. Then I took that little blank, put it on the wall where I wanted it, marked out, drilled for my anchors, and then I started assembling. And what I just did was I screwed it to the sides. And one of the things when you make this is come down on your wall side long. Don't run your angles short, and that way you have a lot of strength in your leg going back down the wall. Again, this is 16 inches, probably about 18 inches, cut out of a 20 by 20. And then you see I just lobbed off the point that would be here. The point that would be here. Those anchors hold about 51 pounds a piece, so there's 3 per cleat. And these are the ones I use. I like these. These are good ones. Don't get the little blue cheap ones. This is a good brand, Cobra. There's a bunch of them, but use a good anchor. They have one even bigger. I think it does 75 pounds. I have them somewhere around the shop, but this is just what I found real quick. And 150 pounds, and I think it would hold even more than 150 pounds. In case you ask why they painted, I had some milk paint that I was going to throw away, and there was just a little bit left, and just put some milk paint up there just to show people the colors. If they had a question about what it looks like, at least they could see. These are General Finishes milk paints. That's Harvest Yellow, and that's Coral down there. And that's it. And like I said, you can make these any size you want. And they're quick and easy. They could be permanent, and they could, once you're done with your lumber, you can take them down and put them away and put them up when you need them, and make quick work of storing your lumber to keep it out of the way. Hope this helped you. Be well, be blessed. Until the next time, I'll see you.